There's a special election coming up in Georgia, and it seemed like there was a bunch of important messages that needed to be shared around when and how to vote for that election. So this is a custom version of the citizen activism tool UpGIF that was built particularly to help people project messages that were important, such as registration deadlines and how to apply for absentee ballots. This tool is basically a way of combining a laptop, a collection of GIF files like these, and a projector in order to project images out into the real world. So this, for example, was a couple weeks ago. I went out for the 2020 elections and plugged a projector into my car and showed a bunch of get out the vote GIFs on the side of this building. And so with just a relatively normal office or home projector, you can light up some pretty big objects. And the nice thing is what you can do is you can take these GIFs, and with this tool is you can move and rotate and scale them. And what that lets you do is line them up with different objects in the real world. So you notice that we sort of kept it away from these trees almost barely, and we made sure that we lifted it above people's heads so that they wouldn't get blinded, and we also kept it off the windows here. And so the cool thing is that you can get creative with this. This was an antique store with a random party where we made a photo booth by shining down these doors. You can also put up a sheet or bedcloth in a window, mirror your projector, and project on the back of that. And so there's a bunch of different ways to potentially use this to help get out messages around this election in Georgia. So my name is Gavin Wilhite. You're welcome to email me, and basically all we'd have to do is figure out what GIFs we want to include and send out another instructional video like this to anyone who is potentially interested in volunteering to help shine these messages. So thank you. Feel free to reach out to me, and hope we help get out the vote well here in Georgia.